Hello everyone, my name is Sam Scrollo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, in today's daily video, I'm gonna talk about the preparation for more profits on Bitcoin, and actually this would be relevant to really any other cryptocurrency as well. So if you're into it and you don't want to see your portfolio decline just like this USDD coin of Tron, then you must watch this video from the beginning and until the end. And as always, please like the video, show me some support. And some people say that when you like the videos of Thomas Crollo, your financial situation starts to improve. But in reality, it's because I provide you with awesome content. All right, but anyway, would be appreciated if you would leave me a like on this video. And as always, if you're brand new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, a lot to learn here. And also that notification bell so that you're always notified when I make a new upload, because you must watch these from the beginning and until the end and as soon as they come out. All right, without any further ado, let's get right into it. So we are saying that we'll get to Bitcoin in just a second. This is USDD. This is the stable coin of Tron. And it's going down. It went down all the way to already 95 cents, 96 cents on a dollar. Another Terra Luna situation, let me know down in the comments, because the system in which actually how this algorithmic stablecoin is built is extremely similar to Terra Luna. But there are certain differences, as we already know that USDD is brand new pretty much, and it was created like 4 weeks before the Terra Luna crash. But the CEO of Tron said that they've implemented some things that they've learned from the Terra Luna crash, that it's not supposed to be that bad. But we'll find out, and certainly we're flushing down all of this crap right now in this crisis, so to speak. So it's like a purge, as I've said before. All right, enough about this. Let's move to Bitcoin price. And we are saying that we currently are hovering above the previous all-time high, which is this green level right here. And we just bounced off of almost spot on 20K. And this is incredible, because you remember where we took the short trade from? Right from here, which is absolutely beautiful. And where did we take it? That's right, over on Bybit. And as always, quick Bybit shield with my exclusive link down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment. You'll get up to $4,100 in free bonuses on top of your initial deposit with Bybit, and also for 30 days, 0% maker fees. So use that link. It's gonna also support the channel and you'll get the bonuses. So it's a win-win scenario. And okay, let's continue talking about the current situation. So a lot of people, you know, on Twitter, on YouTube, everybody's like, yeah, we're longing Bitcoin. Guys and girls, and as I told you already in the previous video, wait. Don't long Bitcoin yet. I made this, clickbait title, and let me know down in the comments if you love my clickbait titles. I know the reason why I use them is, and everybody uses them, because they fucking work. That's why. So I told you in the previous video, if you haven't seen it, check it out, that, not in the previous video from yesterday, I told you that the current Bitcoin situation is not about longing the market, like at all, and that you should wait, and that in the best case scenario, as I told you yesterday, we could see, as the best case scenario, we could see some kind of consolidation above 20K. But the decision maker, and how am I gonna decide whether I'm gonna be longing or shorting, and it's gonna be the same situation as we've had in this area right here. And I'm certainly gonna be using, in this instance, certainly I'll have to be using smaller time frame. And if we're gonna see this kind of a level, then we have this kind of a resistance in this instance right now, and maybe just quickly, if we're gonna draw it like this, then we have this kind of a downward channel right now in Bitcoin. But again, this is just a 15-minute chart, so it's not that significant, but it is at least something. So for me, I really want to see the following. And again, these are just technicals, but right now the Fed is in control, so the macroeconomic landscape is in control. So for that reason, guys and girls, and let me know down in the comments if I should do a live stream today when this whole thing is gonna be happening. And seriously, leave me a comment, because I'm considering should I do a live stream or not. So the more comments I'll see below, the more likelihood there will be that I will do a live stream. So what we want to see is the Fed interest rate. So today, and this is important right here, Fed interest rate decision will be today at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So basically from now is just a couple of hours. And what interests us is that what is going to be the rate hike. So everybody previously was saying it's going to be, everybody was pricing in 50 basis points. But right now, as we can see, everybody is already pricing in 75 basis points. So, and it's obvious, with the current CPI data, of course, it's going to be 75 basis points. So if there's going to be, if the Fed is going to come out and is going to say, okay, 75 basis points, I think that the market has already priced in, especially NASDAQ and S&P 500. Oh, it looks terrible. Has priced in 75 basis points. So if it's going to be 75, I wouldn't be going into a short trade or a long trade. Maybe even I would consider a super short-term scalp trade in terms of like a long trade on Bitcoin. And we're going to get to the price target shortly. But I would not be considering, a big move to the downside at this point. But if we're going to see, and there is already some 7% of people are voting on 100 basis points, so 1 full percent of the interest rate increase, which is possible. But I don't think that the markets have priced in 100 basis points. So that being said, number one, at 2 p.m. Eastern time, I really want to see whether it's going to be full 100 basis points. If that's going to be the case, then I'm going to be shorting the hell out of Bitcoin personally. And of course, I really want to see what Jerome Powell is going to say in his closing remarks right here on the official website of the Federal Reserve. Just like we were watching last month, we're going to see his closing remarks today at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time, and oftentimes there is a lot of weight is given and a lot of importance by the market to what Jerome Powell says in his closing remarks after the increase or decrease of interest rates, after the decision on interest rates. So these are the two major things that are going to be the catalyst for the upcoming move for Bitcoin. Before then, don't do anything besides if you want to buy some Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency you believe in, because the prices are already getting very, very interesting. So that's it, guys and girls. Let me know in the comments if I should do this kind of a live stream tonight, and we can maybe do some live trading together as well. Would be awesome. Until then, stay smart, stay rich, leave me a like, call me Mr. Sportloan down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.